Hi, I'm Baldwin Burgess. I'm here with Sam Wilken. How are you doing, Sam?
Very well, thanks.
Great. We're in Dubai at the Middle East Fund Forum 2013. This is where we all come together in the asset management industry. We discuss things in the region. We discuss the general outlook. And Sam, you're based here in Dubai, aren't you?
That's right.
And you're with Control Risk.
Yes.
So, tell us a little bit about what you guys do. You focus on risk. Is this region specific? Is it global? Why are you in Dubai? What's your value proposition?
Well, we're a global company, but our Middle East regional headquarters is here in Dubai.
Okay.
And here we assess business risks that companies in this region and around the world face.
Okay.
So they include political risks, security risks, and integrity risks.
Okay. Let's break those down. So, security risks. Describe that. Is this generally how people, merchandise moves around the planet, or is it more like property rights? Is it digital? How deep does this go?
We deal with all aspects of security risks. So
Okay.
in markets such as Iraq, obviously it's still a very hostile and challenging security environment.
Mm-hmm.
So we deal with security risks in that way there. Elsewhere, we also look at cyber security, information security, and all the sort of softer aspects of security.
And then there's political risk, which is how do you gauge that? How does that work?
Political risk there are two parts to it.
Mm-hmm.
There's political risk in itself, which is the risks involved when interacting with governments, regulatory risk, etc. And then there's also the impact of political instability on the overall operating environment, and the impact that has on security risks, on, again, regulation, and on how viable it is to do business in a certain country.
So that means you must have a pretty deep-rooted network. This is a network business, right, I suppose?
It is. We draw on a wide variety of sources in every country in which we operate for information. We have staff in a number of countries in the region, permanent staff, in Saudi Arabia, for example, and Iraq. But our base is here, and this is really the sort of the hub of all that knowledge. It comes through to us in Dubai, and we then sort of consult clients from there.
Okay, now you have to help me. So we had security, political, what was the third one again?
Integrity.
Integrity. Okay, thanks. So what do you mean with that?
It's anti-corruption risk, primarily. Also due diligence, investigations into prospective business partners. Basically making sure you know who you're doing business with, and you go into business in a market and with a partner, and you know everything that you need to know about them. It's about the peace of mind of having that knowledge.
So you're at the fund forum. So the financial industry, is that a big segment of your client base?
We deal with clients across a variety of sectors, and we're seeing growing interest, in fact, from funds and from finance more generally.
Okay.
A lot of funds and financial sector clients are looking at making investments in the region, and with the instability that's here and often the opacity of certain markets, it can be very difficult to find out exactly what's going on behind the scenes, and that's where we can come in to help.
Oh, so basically your job here is to focus on this region. Or is it also for local-based companies who want to expand into other markets?
We do deal with companies here in the Gulf primarily that are entering markets around the world. We often refer them to our teams that are in those countries. So if an investment firm in Abu Dhabi wishes to make an investment in China, we've got people in China who can do the investigations that need to be done for them.
Interesting. Yeah, I think you're in the right spot. I mean, again, Dubai is a hub for the world. It's in the middle of the world. And Control Risk is one of those companies that sees an opportunity by being here and helping companies assess risks around the globe, which is essentially the base from which the UAE is being used to expand. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.